someone from Fiverr to create my logo, my intro, and my outro for my new channel that I'm creating. I also did use Fiverr to have the intro and outro of this channel created, what you just saw, the BunnyJanie. However, that logo was old, so the person who created my logo is no longer in business. So when I went to Fiverr for a new intro and outro, that person was kind of limited on what they could do based on the quality of my logo, because it's not a high resolution logo, unfortunately. So with this channel that I'm creating, I wanted to go all out with the logo. I used Fiverr. This is not sponsored, by the way. I paid for all of these services with my own money, but it's basically a platform where illustrators, animators, designers, there's a lot of different categories, so I'll put it up here. They can basically offer up their services. So if you're looking for a logo or a logo animation or an intro and outro, you as a buyer can go buy their services, tell them what you're looking for, and they can create something for you. Keep in mind, there are a lot of mixed reviews for this platform, just because every seller has varying degrees of skill and their price points are all different, and sometimes they will promise you a custom drawing or something and it's actually just like preset, or it's like a template from like After Effects or something when you're doing an intro. So you want to read the reviews, you want to do your research. So I'm going to pull up the seller that I went with. I don't want to butcher her name, but it says here, design a custom hand-drawn logo or handmade drawing. Based on my unique style, I will design a logo for your company, colorful, creative, and perfect. There are more than 30K followers on my Facebook illustration fan page, so I'm sure you will also like the special design I will prepare for you. I didn't look at her Facebook one because the links aren't clickable on the mobile version, but she has 3 different price points here. She has $70, which includes the one logo, the web transparent PDF file. There's no source file, no high res file included in this one, and it's 70 bucks. So I was like, let's go to the next one, which is $90. That's one logo, 2 options, full color logo, and then everything else you can see right there. And then the next one was one logo, but you get 3 options that you can choose from: full color, the JPEG and web transparent, the vector source file for print and web. I really wanted that one. That one's $120. So it is a little pricey, but when it comes to actually customized logos, it's not like in the real world. If you're an artist, then you know what I'm talking about. But $120 didn't seem that bad for me, considering how much we would be getting in return. So I sent her a message. I'm gonna pull it up right here. Sometimes sellers will make you message them first before you purchase it, but she didn't have any of those requirements, so I just ordered it and then sent it to her. So basically I told her I wanted something bunny related, spiritual or like cosmic. I showed her this image that I found online that I wanted like some of those elements like stars, moon, like an astrology thing in the background. I was very vague with it, but I knew, judging from her other reviews, that she would be okay with like a vague idea, and I trusted her style enough that I felt like she can pull something through, and she did. So I ordered this late at night, and by the next morning or like late morning, she already had it, which is crazy. I've never had anyone finish the work that quickly. So here's what she sent me. She's like, this is what I've been working on. How do you feel about these ideas? 3 different logos and I had to choose one. So I really liked the cosmic bunny that's floating in space because it had those symbols that I sent her. However, I thought the bunny looked really weird. It looks like a Pillsbury Doughboy. It looks not like a bunny, like the body shape I didn't like. I could ask her to revise it, but there is one that just felt right for me, so I'm gonna get to that one in a second. Then Cosmic Bunny I liked because I like the little star and moon above its head, or the planet, but I didn't like that the writing was to the right of it. I didn't like the font as much, and I don't know, it just didn't speak to me. But the Cosmic Bunny Planet one, the purple one, was beautiful. It was crisp. The quality was great in all of these, and I actually really like Cosmic Bunny, so I told her that's the one. It's beautiful, I need it. And she was like, thanks for your order, glad to hear you like your work. I was like, hey, I love the first logo best, it's amazing. The bunny looks like a cute planet. That would be my first choice, thank you. So she's like, perfect, I'll prepare the source files for you right now. And then she also gave me like the font and stuff, the colors that she used for it, which is nice. A lot of sellers will charge you for that information. So then she wrote, here you go, I've uploaded the files to Drive to avoid any watermarks. Please confirm that you can open them properly. She sent me the link and I couldn't open it. I told her that, and then she's like, okay, it's ready. And then I got all the files, so I'm gonna put it up right here. Here they are, absolutely amazing, beautiful. I loved it. It was just great. I mean, I absolutely love this logo design. I think it's really cute. And like I said, it was high resolution compared to what I currently have with BunnyJanie. So in the future, I will upgrade BunnyJanie, but because I just got that intro and outro made a couple weeks ago, I kind of want to get my money's worth first before I completely scrap it for something new. So now that I have my logo, I also wanted to do an intro and outro as well as a banner. So I went to the original seller that I went for my own intro and logo, which is Mary, and I decided to get something done with her as well. So there's going to be a part 2 to this where I go through the process of getting an intro and outro and maybe a channel banner as well, so that we can go through it together, see how it looks, see what happens, see what the turnover rate is. But overall, I do like Fiverr. They do have some like little fees once you're checking out, but it's only like $2, I think. And I do think, unfortunately, they take a big cut of sellers. So let me know if you've experienced that side of it, because I'm not really familiar with that since I've only been buying things. I don't offer any services on that platform. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you've ever tried Fiverr before, or how do you get your logos or anything. Are you a designer? Let me know down below, because I find it so hard to find people who have open commissions for this type of thing. If I could go to a different platform or just hop onto Twitter and find someone, I would, but every time I've tried that, it hasn't panned out well. Anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.